The reason why you did not come here to testify under the state's case is that you were fearful of your life, you were fearful of reprisals if that matter of you or other witnesses that were listed is not handled properly. Did you fear for your life to come and testify in this case?
They're telling lies.
But by implication, if I may expand that point, let me leave it before I...
So there you have it, guys. That's the answer from Sifiso Zungu, responding to that question, that came up, because Brigadier Gininda, when he was testifying before the court, he said that Sifiso Zungu was fearful of his life, and he was even afraid to speak about these issues, and he had to comfort him. So after Gininda comforted him, and assured him of his security, that's when, Sifiso Zungu then implicated those accused before the court. But however, he was afraid of coming to speak before the court. So that's why, he did not appear as a state witness. This is the version of Brigadier Gininda. But now, the defense has somehow managed to bring Sifiso Zungu to come and speak in court. So the question has been posed to him, and he says, what, Brigadier Gininda is lying. So this shows us, that Gininda wanted to speak on behalf of Sizwe Zungu, without us, hearing directly from Sifiso Zungu. So this was more of like hearsay evidence that we were hearing from Gininda. So that response on its own, it's a massive disaster for the state themselves, because it shows, that they were somehow concealing something, maybe they were trying to hide something, because why would you not bring Sifiso Zungu to speak for himself, and somehow the defense has brought him as a witness. And not only that, Sifiso Zungu actually knows some of these accused, like Vongani and Tanzi. They used it to attend some dance groups together, they were even calling and phoning each other, So it's not like these were people that Sifiso Zungu did not even know about. So for Gininda to say he was fearful of his life, it was just a head scratching moment, and I remember the defense, they tried by everything to try and crack Gininda, and Gininda stuck with his story. And Gininda, not Gininda, but Judge Rata was accepting that evidence coming from Gininda as he was speaking on behalf of Sifiso Zungu. These guys, these Zungus, they are so confusing. It's like there are so many of them. There's Constable Sizwe Zungu, there is Sifiso Zungu, and Absalom Zungu. So confusing, but they are all related together. And one thing, is that the relationship, between them and Constable Zungu, it's been damaged beyond repair, I mean, Constable Sizwe Zungu and his own father, Absalom Zungu, I don't think that they are going to be seeing each other eye to eye, after listening to what Absalom Zungu said, because that old man was not happy. And even Sifiso Zungu, he is not happy, of these people, who are speaking like lies on his behalf, per his perspective like this. Now, what does this mean? Is it possible by any chance, that Sifiso Zungu was fearful for his life and he told Brigadier Gininda that, and he is somehow lying before us? Those chances, I personally think that they are slim. There is more, to this entire story than what is being revealed to us here. And we hope, that the truth is going to be coming out in the future. I'll catch you guys on the next one.